Hello students, so today we will start a new chapter and the name of the chapter is pronouns. So let's begin the chapter. Chapter 6 pronouns. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Pronoun होता है जो हम noun की place पर use करते हैं. Like for example, look at Riya. She is swimming. Jyoti and Priyanka have come to see her. They are glad to see her swimming. She is also glad to see them. A words she, her, they and them they are used instead of nouns Riya, Jyoti and Priyanka. So such words are called pronouns. तो किसी के नाम के प्लेस पे जब हम ही, शी, इट, दे, देम, वी, अस यूज करते हैं वो हमारे प्रोनाउंस होते हैं. अब कितने काइंड्स ऑफ प्रोनाउंस होते हैं? देयर आर 5 काइंड्स ऑफ प्रोनाउंस. फर्स्ट आता है आपका पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस. दे आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड बिकॉज दे स्टैंड फॉर 3 पर्सन. पर्सनल प्रोनाउन के अंदर 3 पर्सन होते हैं. फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन. Pronouns which refers to the person or person speaking, they are called pronouns of the first person. Example, I, we, me, us, mine, ours. जैसे मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ तो मैं फर्स्ट पर्सन हूँ. I, me, mine, तो ये हमारे फर्स्ट पर्सन होते हैं. Pronouns which refers to the person or person spoken to, they are called pronouns of second person. Example, दो, दी, दो, you, yours. You, yours होता है आपका second person. जिससे मैं बात कर रही हूँ वो second person है. And the pronouns which refers to the person or thing spoken of, they are called the pronouns of the third person. Example, he, she, him, her, they, theirs, it. थर्ड पर्सन के बारे में जब हम बात करते हैं तो वो हमारा थर्ड पर्सन होता है जिसके बारे में हम बात करें. दो जने जिस तीसरे बंदे की बात कर रहे हैं वो आपका थर्ड पर्सन है. तो उसमें आता है आपका ही, शी, इट. फिर आते हैं आपके रिफ्लेक्सिव एंड एम्फसाइजिंग प्रोनाउंस. दे आर माई सेल्फ, आर सेल्फ, योर सेल्फ, हिमसेल्फ, हर सेल्फ, इट सेल्फ, देम सेल्फ. रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन बिहेव करता है लाइक ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब. जैसे कि आई लव माई सेल्फ मोर देन अदर. I can do it myself. We have enjoyed ourselves. Don't blame yourself. He let himself be cheated. The deer has hurt itself. She loves to travel by herself. They are doing it themselves. फिर आता है emphasizing pronouns. They are used with a noun or a pronoun for the sake of emphasizes. जब हम इस पर फोकस कर रहे हो, जैसे कि उसी के ऊपर सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर ही हम ज्यादा फोकस करें. Like he hit himself. We ourselves spoke to our principal. I can do it myself. You yourself admitted your fault. My sister herself told me this. Sagar himself looked after my needs. The children themselves went there. फिर आता है demonstrative pronouns. जैसे कि such as this, these, that, those. They are used to point out the object या फिर objects for which जिनके लिए हम उन्हें use कर रहे हैं. Demonstrative होता है पिन पॉइंट करना. जैसे this, that, these, those हम करते हैं किसी को पॉइंट आउट करना. This and these refers to things near at hand. जैसे पास में चीज है तो उसके लिए हम this यूज करते हैं और these यूज करते हैं. लेकिन this is for singular and these is for plural. While that and those refer to things lying at distance, पर जो चीज है उसके लिए हम that यूज करेंगे या those. That होता है एक चीज के लिए, those होता है प्लूरल के लिए. This is my chair. These clothes are wet. That chair is broken. Those are my waiting birds. फिर demonstrative pronouns when followed by a noun become demonstrative adjectives. तो demonstrative pronouns के बाद जब कोई noun आ जाता है तो वो demonstrative adjective बन जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट आपका काइंड आता है इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन. दे आर यूज्ड फॉर आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस के लिए होते हैं. जैसे हु वन येस्टरडे, व्हिच इज टेस्टियर, व्हाट डू यू मीन, whom do you want to meet, whose bag is this. Interrogative pronouns when followed by a noun it becomes interrogative adjective. फिर आता है आपका रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन लाइक हु, whom, whose, which and that. They are joined, used to join टू सेंटेंस को साथ ज्वाइन करते हैं एंड रेफर बैक टू द नाउन्स गोइंग बिफोर देम. जैसे कि एग्जांपल है दिस इज द चाइल्ड ही स्टोल माई बैग. तो दिस इज द चाइल्ड हु स्टोल माई बैग. उसी को हम मेजरली पॉइंट करके बता रहे हैं. स्पेसिफिकली हमने मेंशन करा कि ये वही बच्चा है जिसने मेरा बैग चुराया. दिस इज द बॉय द टाइगर अटैक्ड हिम. तो दिस इज द बॉय whom द टाइगर अटैक्ड. दिस इज द बॉय हिज मदर इज डेड. दिस इज द बॉय whose मदर इज डेड. दिस इज द हॉर्स इट वन द रेस. तो दिस इज द हॉर्स which वन द रेस. दिस इज द हाउस जॉन built it. दिस इज द हाउस दैट जॉन built it. नाउ let's evaluate. Fill in the blanks with correct personal pronouns के साथ हमें fill in the blanks करना है. Dash walk to the store together. Dash walk to the store together. We. Dash sings beautifully in the chair. She. Dash is excited to go to camping. Dash is excited to go camping. He. Dash is wearing a yellow shirt today. He. That sounds like a fun party. It. Now fill in the blanks with interrogative pronoun. हमें इसमें fill करना है. Dash kind of music do you like? Which? Dash fix the computer. Who? Dash parts are these. Whose? Dash didn't go, you go to school. Why? Dash makes you happy. What? Now fill in the blanks with reflexive or emphasizing pronouns हमें बताने हैं. They dash have never done it. They themselves have never done it. Cinderella cleaned the room herself. I have arranged it myself. They saw the queen themselves. You dash will take us on a trip. You yourself. So like this, you have to complete this exercise. Then underline the relative pronoun in the following sentence. में relative pronoun हमने underline करना है. The musician who wrote this song is French. Who? I know the boy whom sits next to you. Whom? This is the cake which Mary made. Which? We met the sailors whose ship was wrecked in the storm. Whose? The boy whose phone just rang should stand up. Whose? I got the book which you lost yesterday. Which? Now fill in the personal pronouns to complete the story. Last summer, Dash sister and I got to visit our grandparents' house. My sister and I during summer vacation. Dash had a wonderful time. We had a wonderful time visiting our grandparents. The best part about visiting them so much was riding the horses. Dash's favorite horse was named My favorite horse was named Rascal. Grandpa let me ride Rascal every day. He helped with his grooming and feeding. Now fill in the blanks with suitable possessive adjective हमें और fill करने हैं possessive pronouns. That policeman is a friend of mine. Honey, I have lost my keys. It is easy to lose dash temper when one is criticized. You lose our temper. That cat is in good mood. It's just had the dash breakfast. It just had its breakfast. He watched each gesture of Dash as if she were a stranger for her. Now use relative pronouns to fill the blanks for the following sentence. We always like people who speak the truth. This is the house in which John lived. The car Dash my uncle bought is quite expensive. Which? I don't think there is anyone Dash doesn't like chocolates. Who? We love those persons who are kind to us. So like this, you have to fill the rest of the exercise and rest of the parts. So I hope you all have understood this chapter. You all can go through it again and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.